This is just a short little video. I'm going to cold start my Honda Fourtrax 200 Type 2. It's a 95. And see, I can put my hand right on the exhaust. It's completely cold, hasn't been started for a few days. Key switch broke out a long time ago. Turn it with a screwdriver. Choke it. Starts right up. Usually only has to be choked for a few seconds. It's already idling fine too. It's a warm day. This four-wheeler runs great, always has. And as you can see, totally cold, it still doesn't smoke. Really, really good running four-wheeler. Turn it off with a screwdriver. And that's about it. Thanks for watching.